Hi and welcome to this Tracpartz tutorial. In this tutorial we will show you how to change the fuel filter of small Iseki tractors. These are the tools you need to get the job done. A dip tray and a pipe wrench and of course a new fuel filter. Looking for the right parts for your tractor? We have more than 14,000 parts in stock and worldwide shipping. Please visit Tracpartz.com and find the parts you need. New to this channel? Please subscribe, hit the bell and get notified to new videos. Alright, let's get started. First off, open the hood of the tractor. Get your pipe wrench and the dip tray. Place your dip tray on the bottom and make sure it's above the fuel pump to catch fuel if needed. Make sure the fuel tap is turned off. With the pipe wrench, unscrew the flask that contains the fuel filter and then hold the flask as it's still full of fuel. Drain the fuel in the dip tray and then remove the fuel filter from the flask. Get the new flask and the new fuel filter. Also take the metal ring and the rubber and put everything back together. Tighten the ring with the hand first and then tighten it with the pipe wrench. Now open the fuel tap completely so that the flask will fill up with fuel. When it's completely filled with fuel, close the fuel tap again by turning it to on as soon as it starts to leak. Clean where needed and put the engine cover back on. And that's it, you replace the fuel filter. Need more tips? Watch our other videos and share the knowledge. Thanks for watching this Tracpartz tutorial. Until next time.